Alright, we got a brand new mold from Smedioks. This one right here is the 5-inch curly tails. Let's open it up and see what we get inside. Let's open her up. Alright, so first thing you see when you open it up, they give you a step-by-step guide on how to make the baits, safety precautions, everything you'll be needing to make the baits. So this definitely will come handy. And they went all out with the packaging here. Definitely making sure it doesn't get destroyed while being shipped to you. Inside the box, you get a free bottle of oil here. It's magic oil for making fishing lures. So that's pretty sweet that they give you one for free, because you'll definitely need this to oil down the molds. And the mold itself definitely feels durable. Doesn't feel cheap at all. High quality stone here. Looks like they pre-shoot the mold for you just to make sure everything's working right. No defects in the mold. Look at that. That is beautiful. I'm definitely a huge fan of them pre-shooting the molds. There's no imperfections. Everything's working right. That way you don't get a defective mold. So that's awesome that Smedioks does this for you. A lot thicker than I thought it was going to be. That is awesome. Let's go ahead and prep this mold so we can make our own baits. So with the oil provided, we're just going to dab some into the mold here. Be using a brush to evenly spread out the oil. That way you don't have no excess. If you do happen to get too much oil on there, all you got to use is a cloth. Wipe it back down. Close it up. You're going to need clamps. We'll do one on both sides here and then one on top. Got it all nice and clamped down. Super tight. We have our plastisol all poured up here. We're going to throw this into the microwave to cook it. It has to reach 350 degrees minimum for it to work properly. Before we go any further, I highly recommend being in a well-ventilated area. Wear gloves, wear a respirator or some sort of mask. Eye protection is definitely a plus here. Have some fans running, get the fumes away from you. This stuff is super toxic, so definitely make sure you're taking all the safety precautions you need to. Alright, we got a plastisol cooked to a nice 352 degrees. Perfect. Let's go ahead and add some colors. I'll be adding a color called Space Grass. Stir that up. And with this color, I'm going to be adding my favorite, blue and black glitter, to give it a nice pop. Make sure to mix it up really well. Now that it's mixed up really well, get your injector and just shoot the mold. We're going to give nice even pressure down. Once you feel it filled up, give a little bit of more pressure in there to help release some of the air in there. And then when you come up, you always want to make sure to top it off. Let's give that about 2 to 3 minutes to cool off and we'll take a look. Go ahead and deep clamp this mold. Let's go ahead and open this up. Look at that. Look at this. Turned out awesome. Again, Smedioks 5-inch curly tails. This brand right here, man, they are amazing. They make some phenomenal molds. Their customer service is always on point for me. Have no issues with them. Shipping is fast, easy. The molds are affordable. High quality stone, durable, definitely made to last you a long time. Highly recommend this brand. Definitely great product.